It was a clash of cultures outside the Supreme Court. Gay marriage supporters and opponents strained to have their voices heard as the court considers whether gay Americans have a constitutional right to marry. The issue is personal for Tom and Darren, married since 2008.
Truth wins out. People see that these are loving relationships. Part of it's about sex, yes, but 99% of it's about everything else that every other gay, straight American shares. Bills, kids, all those things.
This rates up with our wedding because it's not just us, it's about everyone.
For married couple J.P. Singh and Charles Johnson, it's also about sending a message to the rest of the world.
So we can't be hypocritical about preaching democracy and human rights to the rest of the world when we won't grant them to our own citizens.
Gay marriage opponents were also out in force, including the father-son preacher team of Larry and Caleb Hickam from Texas.
The issue has already been determined that God said it's between a man and a woman, and that if we go against God, that God will have to judge our country.
Gay marriage opponents seemed outnumbered at the court, but that didn't bother Nino Burnet.
Deeply within me is one phrase: give me liberty or give me death. I'm willing to die for this. I'm not going to compromise.
We are not afraid.
Inside the High Court, the focus was on conservative Justice Anthony Kennedy, a key swing vote and often a gay rights supporter. But Kennedy did little to tip his hand, and at one point said it's difficult for the court to say we know better.
Public opinion polls show increasing support for gay marriage around the country in recent years, though many social conservatives remain adamantly opposed. A Supreme Court decision in the gay marriage case is expected by the end of June. Jim Malone, VOA News, at the U.S. Supreme Court.